Could you please let me know what is special about this school? I mean, alphabet. What child brings more? You know, what did he learn more about this? Like, not a regular school, not a regular kid, but what is it little or maybe one or two things that made special to your kid?
So actually, my daughter is in second grade by name Nainikha Reddy, and I am her father. So all the way just to see this annual day, I traveled 450 kilometers and then landed just now. So actually, I am a agriculture. Just to know, because my sister and my brother-in-law, they were staying in Motinagar beside only. So that's the reason why I joined my daughter here. Previously, even my daughter, she didn't know how to learn English also. Even small words also she couldn't know. Now after joining in this alphabet school, she learned a lot. And moreover, she has learned more discipline. That's what even every child parents wants. I'm so lucky enough to have a beautiful daughter and my brother-in-law and my sister, because they are the one who are here to take care of my daughter. Thank you.